My dearest Omaha, last night was the most amazing night of my life. You're so young, hip, and energetic. I just love your talent pool.
My dear, sweet Conagra, I just destroyed a crapload of historic buildings for that super campus you always dreamed about.
Did you build a slightly creepy statue of Chef Boyardee?
Yes, I did.
Many years later.
So, what the happened to our date night?
You are so annoying sometimes.
We were supposed to go out and enjoy these tax breaks together.
And here we go about the tax breaks again.
Fine, I'll just see you at home.
Actually, I'm staying in Chicago for a couple nights.
You're staying in Chicago, or Chicago's staying in you?
Totes didn't want to drop this bomb now, but we should see other people.
Like you have been already, you slut!
You're just not young, hip, and energetic anymore. And you can't even get your talent pool up.
That was one time!
One more thing.
I'm not really a woman.
What the
You've been catfished, bitch.
That doesn't even make sense!